ndio inemtwina kaita mwana iyeyu akafana Tinashe zvisingaite mfano chakuchengera dringi kumba bye bye. Chacho. Before I call for a sneeze into facts and figures, my name is Maston, but Maston is my grandfather's name, so he changed to be a bird. So I've got a quest to redeem him, to become a person again, just like Jesus did, just like what Jesus did. That's why I've got this kind of an inscription. Check your Bible. I don't want to say anything. That's a question. If you want to see me or to talk more, you contact www.madminox@yahoo.com. So, the theme of Silverstone is to mobilize the youth, but especially the youth of ZANU-PF, because we have got all the colors, red, gold, and green, and a star, which is for the wise, like this one. So, we as Rastas, we should have an opportunity to have a Rastafarian band, which is only allowed to smoke this with the king himself, me, Maston. Long live King Maston.
So you're king?
Yeah. So what is left? Right now I'm just wearing my Gideon. It's just a simple classic Gideon. I can dance, I can sing, I can rhyme. Let me give you an aftermath of a song of Baby Grease. Is it okay if I give you?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
It's okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Let me start.
Why do you have to put your glasses?
I prefer wearing glasses, especially when I'm singing.
Okay.
I was walking in the street, looking so neat with my drop top, looking mad eyes to eye. Pull up on a stoplight, there was this cute girl looking at me. She said, Maston, can I have a ride with you, slide with you, and spend some time with you? So I said, come on in, girl, you didn't got a thing to lose. What did I do to deserve a girl like you? What did I say for you to come my way? Open up a phrase to find out good girl someday. Hey, hey. All the girls are looking at me, but she said, pay them no attention, because I got enough love for you. I'll buy a chain and a ring to make you bling. Shopping, spring, being summer and spring, fulfill your fantasy, girl, you my everything. So I've got one question that I wanna ask you. What did I do to you to make you love me so true? What did I do to this? Select your boy bigger than Tintin, you have to take it to a next level. We have to slow up the devil. High key!
So the song is done. What's the name of the song?
It's all said and done. I man remain champion.
Is it it sound like a R&B pop music or something, a hip hop song?
I'm a pop star.
You're a pop star.
I do love us. I sing almost anything.
Okay.
I can even sing a Shona song for you.
I'll go ahead.
Ndakabata kaheke adzimai vaenda kumunda tsadza rakamanyadze mudhudhudhu torai mabhadza muchirima kuzoti neke mujakari kakaita seka nezvipikiri kusarima we kusarima we kusarima we. That's just a short song of my inscription of a Shona song.
Okay.
I've got another song. It's an aftermath of my friend who is in UK.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I just love the song. Inindo faraka, ichikuonaka, uchinyamwera, uchisekerera, parinodokaka, inokumbundira ukapfuura pane varume vanosara vachifaraka. Inindo faraka, ndichikuonaka, uchinyamwera, uchisekerera. Baby girl, Heike!
Have you been on a stage with your songs ever? Have you performed them live anyway?
I've never performed live, but I know stage fright. because I've worked as a cameraman for a long time.
Okay.
I've worked behind the scenes, so I know how it is. I can live like a producer and also as a presenter.
Okay.
In any show. If you want to hire me, you can contact www.madminox@yahoo.com.
That's not, it's Mbare Ghetto Crown King @gmail.com.
Okay. It's Mbare Ghetto what?
Crown King.
You contact Mbare Ghetto Crown King at
gmail.com.
gmail.com.
Mbare Ghetto Crown King @gmail.com.
That's it. You just heard it from the horse's mouth. That is Mad Minox himself at Canada in Zimbabwe, representing Silverstone with Maston, with a rock in a Gideon.
Yeah.
So mobilizing the youth is not a problem because we've got a community service that we want to analyze everyone to participate in the cleaning of our sovereign country.
But why you said you want to mobilize ZANU-PF youth? What about the MDC youth?
They have to be involved because we'll be giving, the president is going to be giving us money. So if we don't even want money, that is your own story. Because you don't want to work.
So everybody, every youth in Zimbabwe?
Every youth in Zimbabwe has got an opportunity to work, whether pass or fail. Asingaziye ngadzidziswe takabvira kudhara tichizvitaura pamusangano wedu weZANU-PF. Sorry to take it political because I am an analyst also.
So you're a ZANU-PF member?
I'm not a member. I am a ZANU-PF cadre.
So not a Jesus.
A cadre. It's an infinite way of a hero.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not talking of drugs, heroin.
So, not ZANU-PF headquarters. Anybody knows you down there?
I don't have to go there. I'll tend to a bed, then I'll communicate with anyone I want.
Okay.
The inscription of a bed is in me. This is the coat of arms. I'm a little bit darker because I was fasting. So, I want you, today is what? What is the day today?
Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, 20
November.
20 November.
Yeah.
I want you to check my video on the 25th of
It will be
December.
next year. It will be next year.
It will be not next year.
I won't be posting this year.
Okay. So, okay.
It will be somewhere around February.
After my birthday, because my birthday is on the 29th of January. It's going to be spectacular.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be spectacular. I'm expecting visitors from abroad, so I need company. Even if you want to come from abroad, we have a very, very, very nice hotel which is entitled Crown Plaza.
So that's gonna force me to post the video now.
Yeah, wait a second before you post it. We also got Jameson Hotel. We also have Milku's Hotel. If you go on top of Milku's Hotel, especially if you're coming from America, you can see your own history. Because if you go on top of the hotel, Milku's Hotel, you can see the Union Jack. We're still keeping it, just for tourists like you. You can come and enjoy, but please remember, this is Zimbabwe. You have to come here in peace and tranquility, and you should be sovereign.
Yeah.
In straightforward English, you should come respecting people of Zimbabwe. You as whites, if you are an investor, you don't have to be in a bank with a line with ordinary people who are being saved with a savings account. You should visit the manager and continue with the current account without even failure to pay anyone before we take the company. That is that.
So you want respect?
Yeah. In terms of the percentage of 100%, that 90% we were talking about, was it 60%? 60% that we were giving to local to international investors. If you want a proper deal,
isn't it 49.51?
49.51.
Yeah.
It's now at 49.51, but when you're investing with a lot of assets that are benefiting the nation at large, at least it will be a little bit beneficiary to you if you give some of the money to the charity.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So if we're talking of the charity, we are talking of orphanage, disabled, infants, etc., etc.
Hospitals.
Yeah, people, especially people with disabilities. So what we want, what we want from the president, as youths, as me, Maston, myself, because the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe, I'm sure one of your security guards gave you a message about the war cry and told that war. It means a lot because that war cry means you must come and see me.
Okay, thank you so much.
Cut.